In this video, we are going to see a simplest way on how you can remove multiple friends in Snapchat friend list. So guys, let's head over to the profile icon first on the top right left hand corner. And if we scroll down and see my friends, as you can see, we have a lot of them. So if you want to remove all of them together, unfortunately, there is no way you can do it in Snapchat, but just hold on. Before saying anything, we have a quick solution, and that is what you can do is just hold onto this application, and when you hold, you click on it, you will see this uninstall option. So click on uninstall, and even if we keep the data, click OK, it should be able to remove it, and obviously it will remove your friends too. So let's go again, and basically this is how you can quickly refresh to it. As soon as you log in, you will get all of your profile back immediately because you have this profile address, ID, password and all. But this is the quickest way on how you can delete multiple friends.